Balancing Strategy, Innovation, and Law for Sustainable and Ethical Development. By Gordon Ifeanyi Nweke and Ogochukwu Chidebere Nweke. This article explores the intricate relationship between strategy, innovation, and legal frameworks, emphasizing their collective importance in fostering sustainable and ethical business practices. Through a comprehensive literature review, detailed case studies, and empirical analysis, the study examines how leading companies such as Apple, Tesla, Patagonia, and Unilever successfully integrate strategic planning and innovation within robust legal and ethical boundaries. The discussion highlights the critical role of adaptive legal systems, the necessity of ethical guidelines, and the strategic advantages of corporate social responsibility (CSR) and the triple bottom line (TBL) principles. The findings underscore that strategic planning must not only focus on competitive advantage but also on creating value in a dynamic business environment. Innovation, driven by technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, and the Internet of Things, IoT, is identified as a key driver of economic growth and societal progress. However, the rapid pace of technological advancement often outstrips the development of corresponding legal frameworks, necessitating flexible and principles-based regulation. The article also discusses the practical challenges and opportunities in aligning strategy, innovation, and law, with recommendations for policymakers, business leaders, and legal experts. It calls for a collaborative approach to lawmaking, the adoption of regulatory technology, RegTech, and the integration of ethical considerations into business strategies. The limitations of the study are acknowledged, including the scope of the literature reviewed and the focus on large corporations in specific regions. Recommendations for further research are provided, advocating for broader studies across diverse industries and geographical contexts, primary data collection, and cross-disciplinary collaboration. This article provides valuable insights into how organizations can navigate the complexities of modern business landscapes by harmonizing strategy, innovation, and legal frameworks to achieve sustainable and ethical progress. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.